It's 2024. Headlines are bringing to light a crisis in the commercial real estate market. More than $2.2 trillion in debt is maturing before 2028, and a staggering $1.2 trillion in mortgages are due this year and next. Rising interest rates are crippling commercial real estate market, and many property owners are facing refinancing at rates 2 to 3 times higher. It's a financial earthquake. This isn't just about buildings, it's about livelihoods. Businesses built on these properties, jobs hanging in the balance. This isn't the first time a lack of liquidity has brought the financial world to its knees. Remember Lehman Brothers, Bear Stearns? Without access to capital, these giants crumbled. The domino effect devastated the global economy. Recently, I interviewed Brian Esposito, CEO of Diamond Lake Minerals. The subject? Asset tokenization.
A company, whether it's Pink Sheet up to NYSE, to rely on traditional capital because there's times where that causes markets to collapse. And I look back at, my goodness, imagine if Lehman Brothers or Bear Stearns had the opportunity to put a global security token out. I think they would have had a chance to strengthen up their balance sheet and not be forced to shut down because they weren't blessed by government to get a bailout and there was nobody putting money into them, so they had to cease to exist. So if you look at the idea of billions of people around the world that can throw a few bucks into something, that's a lot of capital. And billions of people around the world throwing a few bucks into something that they can get a return on their capital, well, that's when I say, well, that's a security.
The past is a lesson. Today, tokenization offers a lifeline. It unlocks a global pool of investors, increases liquidity, and empowers businesses to adapt and thrive. Don't become another statistic. Learn more about tokenization